Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Yeah, today actually we have some wooden toy train again.
Yes, this has
Yeah, and this is
steam cargo.
steam cargo train or freight train, and
It's fake.
and no, it's not freight. I mean, this is a manufacturer in Indonesia. It's called Mentari.
Really?
Yes, and we bought it in Taiwan. That's why you see the price 480 new Taiwan dollar.
Really?
Yeah. Okay.
We bought it on Taiwan too, right?
Yeah, we go to the museum there, and we bought it from the train museum.
Really? It's very hard to open. These types of plastic, very hard.
Yeah, it's difficult, and it's easy to cut your hand or fingers. And can you eat this one, Audrey?
What?
Can you eat this? This is silica gel.
You cannot eat it.
Yeah, it's silica gel. You can just tell the children. No children can eat it, or else you will get
They
killed.
feel like true
Yeah.
sugar. But they're not sugar. It's poisonous.
Yeah, it's toxic.
Hi, my hands.
Yeah, your fingers. Yeah, now this is the cargo car.
Blue cargo. It's
Yeah.
blue.
Yes, blue. And this is car number 59. The train engine is called 768. And how about this one? This one is
Yellow.
yellow one. It seems that they transported wooden pranks, I guess. And this is what? This is a cowboy.
Red?
Yeah, 59.
59 again.
Yeah, we can try on the track, on a wooden track. Want to try it now?
Yeah. Here you go. Push it up.
On board.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo.
Chicka 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 choo 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 choo.
Full steam ahead. Stop it. I need to go on the train now.
Yeah,
Me
actually,
too. Wait for me.
what are you doing
Wait for
here?
me. I need to go on. I'm a passenger.
Yeah, we got passenger next time.
That means that the passengers are full inside, so there's no more space. So,
Accident.
okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and bye.